Hey, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. Why am I holding stuffed fries? Well, I just got done unboxing a huge pallet and I'm going to tell you what the numbers are. You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. So this is my favorite item out of the box, is the cute stuffed fries. So I might have to keep these because they're adorable. And even the little fries have faces. They Velcro into the bottom. But okay, you're not here to hear about stuffed fries. I unboxed 243 items out of this box. And I know I had talked to you guys about figuring out what was inside of this shoe box. And so I will open this shoe box right now. And then I want to talk to you about what all is in. I'm going to give you a few numbers for a few of the items, but 243 items, I would bore you to death. So I will give you total numbers for the whole palette, how much it costs and all that. Ooh, these are fancy. My daughter loves these kind of shoes. These are size 6 women's combat boot style of dress boots. So those are really cute. They're really hot right now. They seem to be all the rage. I don't know why you want to wear combat boots. They sound very uncomfortable to me. But that was what was in that box. Now that I found my trusty box cutter. All right, so I'm going to give you a few numbers. So I was really excited to find these in the box. This is a Cards Against Humanity box, never been opened. And after fees, every number that I give you is going to be what I can sell it on Amazon for, and after fees. A lot of these items, based off condition, I will sell also on eBay, but these are my kind of like hot buys from Amazon. It's not all of the most expensive stuff, but it's some of the ones I thought you'd be interested in. So Cards Against Humanity, after fees, I'm gonna make $12 in pocket. So 12 bucks on those. And then I have 2 of these puzzle boxes. So they're really, really nice puzzle boxes. I can make $15 a piece times 2, so $30 just on these boxes alone. And they're really, really nice because they're still completely sealed. Then these, if you watch the previous video, you'll get to see every single item that I got out of the box. And so these are called music quiz games. And I have 9 of them at 10 bucks a piece. So just on these games alone, it's going to be $90. And so that's a definite good one. And they're small, so they're not going to cost a lot in fees. Now, the main reason I bought this box was it had a lot of Legos in it. So I want to give you some numbers for some of the Legos. This I'm going to make $3.60 on. It doesn't sound like a lot, but it's actually selling for more than that. But after fees and everything, $3.60 is what I'm going to make. This Minecraft one I think is selling for around $20 online, but I will make $10 after fees and shipping and all that stuff. So it might be less than, I think it might more like $18. This one was a really good one, this Technic one that I opened. It's a Lego one where you can make the movable parts. Really, really nice looking. This one after fees, I think it's selling for about $35 online. And after fees, I'm gonna make $29 on just this one box. So that was a really good find. I've got a lot of other things here that I sold to. Oh, this was a really good find. I actually have 12 of these exact games, and they're after fees, I'm going to make $9 times 12, $108 just on these games alone. So they're all brand new in packages, and I love them. So another really clever thing I got in this box was this bomb diffuser game. I had 2 of these at 5 bucks a piece. It is what I'll earn. That's not what they're selling for, but what I'll earn. So $10 total on those. And then I've got various different other things. Let's see, this I was really excited about. I've got some Pampers Easy Ups, this entire box. Now, just so you know, I think this box is selling for around $30 on Amazon, but because it's such a large box and weighs so much, I kind of lose a lot of money on fees. And so I'm actually only going to make $8.80. But if you saw my previous unboxing of this entire palette, each item cost me anywhere from $1.90 to like $2.50. So I'm okay making $8.80 on it when it only cost me $2.50. So here's another one. This is a Star Wars Advent calendar, and I will make $15 on this after all of the fees. This one this Huggies, big box of Huggies diapers. Sorry, it's really heavy. This big box of 140 Huggies diapers was actually selling for a considerable amount, but because it's so big and it weighs so much, I only will make $15 off of this box. And so those are just a few of the numbers of what we kind of looked up and found for sale. I have a lot more things, obviously, with 243, but let me break down the palette for you just so you know exactly where my numbers kind of lie. So, this is a bulk.com palette. It's in the condition of uninspected returns. If you want to see the condition of every item I pulled out of the palette, go ahead and watch the first unboxing of this. It was toys, games, Legos, and it also has some as seen on TV items in it. I paid $250 for it. It was shipped here for $200, paid $13.50 in taxes for a total of $463.50. And I always factor in all the shipping and taxes in my cost per item. And so it was $1.90 per item. And then after I got into the palette and started opening things up, I think it ended up being more about $2.50 per item based off of the fact that there were quite a few items I couldn't sell. And so I kind of just readjusted mentally my numbers to $2.50. There were 243 items in it. Bulk said the retail was $3,175, okay? Here's my realistic numbers after going through the palette and seeing the condition of everything. My realistic numbers, I think I can make $1,364. I take away my $463.50 and I think $950 is going to be where my money is at. So unboxing this palette, I pay $463, pay myself back. I earn $950. And so I'm really excited about that. I think that's going to be a great profit margin on this particular palette, but that'll give you an idea of what you can get in an uninspected return toys and games palette. So hopefully this has been helpful. And if you love the French fries, you can buy them from me. Just let me know. And the fun things you get to find inside of a bulk palette and the various different unique items that come inside those fun liquidation pellets. So hopefully it's been helpful and you learned a lot. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. If you love the content that I give, you can support me on Patreon. Just follow the link in the description below and I will offer you lots of exclusive things. You can be in the Hooked on Pickin Coffee Club, have your Naven Lights, be in the Hooked on Pickin Reseller Club, or the Reseller Pro Club. You get different perks for each club. So if you'd like to support me in my channel, please head on over to my Patreon account and start supporting. Thanks. This is Heather from hookedonpickin.com. If you'd like to purchase my reseller guide, which is fully laminated 3 cards with checklists for Goodwill, eBay, and Amazon, please click the link below and you can purchase it now. The Goodwill card has over 80 different tips to show you how to walk through the store and what things I look for when walking through a thrift store to buy and resell items on Amazon, eBay, and other platforms. The Amazon reseller checklist has over 6 major steps and a lot of sub-steps to look at in order to find out, is my item going to be perfect for selling and reselling on Amazon? The eBay card also has 6 major steps to walk through to make sure you're choosing the right item that will be perfect for reselling and making money on eBay. Each card is fully laminated so that it cannot be destroyed easily, and it's perfect for taking with you while you're going on your picking and finding treasure hunting for reselling. I hope this is helpful, and I hope these cards help you to focus your energy to pick the right items to resell online to grow your reseller business. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.